to 1,220 nails per charge ***. Brushless motor paired with a heavy-duty oil-free pump of the portable air compressor provides cordless convenience with the power of a corded tool. The cordless air compressor features one-turn regulator for fast, accurate pressure adjustments. DEWALT portable air compressor is lightweight and portable at only 21.5 lbs. Heavy-duty roll cage for job site application. Compressor made in the USA with global materials. 79 dBA operational noise level. Tested per ISO 3477, 1.2 SC/FM at 90 psi. Tested per ISO 1217. The 60V Max * FLEXVOLT 2.5-gallon cordless air compressor offers all of the convenience and portability of cordless, and lets you continue using the pneumatic tools you already have. Each battery charge allows for up to 1,220 nails ***, providing the runtime to complete a variety of applications. Its one-turn regulator means you no longer have to fight with the dial. Plus, it's made right here in the USA with global materials.